Hello, eager learners. This week we have a little, co-teacher. This is my TA, Charlie. We are almost done with the quarter, guys. We are so close to being done. I hope you are saving a little bit of gas to get over that finish line because we are so close. So if we take a look at our calendar, as we always do on Mondays, we are working on our annotated bibliography, which is basically just a journal of research that you found for Project 3. So there is a really helpful tutorial in the modules folder that will walk you through the annotated bibliography process step by step, including sample documents to show you how the citation works and how the paragraph structure works and how to do it all in MLA format. So really helpful stuff. The annotated bibliography is actually a great place to earn points at the end of the quarter because I really just have a 3-point checklist when I'm grading it. Is there a citation? Is it in MLA format? And does the paragraph have the 3 required elements? Those are the only 3 things I'm checking in here. So it's an easy place to earn some points toward the end of the quarter if you're following the example closely. So please make sure that you look at that example in the modules tab and follow it. We'll pause this for a second. Well, my TA felt that he needed to go do more important things like play with his cars. So, the modules tab has everything you need for the annotated bibliography. Easy place to earn points if you're following the example exactly. So please make sure you double check it before you submit it so that you can get the maximum amount of points there. And then we're going to be working on revising our essay this week. We're going to be writing it. We got our outlines done last week. Now we just need to flesh them out. Add details, add depth, add your argumentation, add your sources, and that paragraph will start coming together pretty quickly for you, hopefully. We'll be doing our peer review on Wednesday, and then you're going to write and revise again because next week is finals week, and we're done, which is crazy. So you're going to be turning in the annotated bibliography on Monday. Remember that that is a separate document from your Project 3 essay. So the annotated bibliography is submitted on Monday. You'll submit your essay, your Project 3 cultural analysis essay, on Tuesday. This does not need to have an annotated bibliography attached to it, but it should have an MLA format works cited page. So do make sure that you're including that with your essay. And then finally, there is the exit essay, if applicable. And that means if you scored less than 60% on the diagnostic essay, you do need to take the exit essay. And there is a folder in the modules tab that will walk you through that process step by step. If you scored more than 60% on the diagnostic essay, you do not have to take the exit essay. 60% on the diagnostic, I believe, is 30 out of 50 points. So if you scored less than 30 points, you need to take the exit essay. If you scored more than 30 points, you do not. Hopefully that clears up any confusion about that. And this week we're just going to be working on our Project 3 essay. I'm hoping to have your Project 2s graded by the end of the day tomorrow, so you'll have all that feedback as you go into your revision process for Project 3. If you don't see the essays by the end of the day on Tuesday, let me know because they should be released by then. So hopefully we don't run into another technical glitch like we did with Project 1, but if we do, please let me know and I will try and get that fixed for you as fast as possible. So have a great week, guys. Enjoy your research and writing Project 3, and let me know if you have any questions.